In this video, I would like to see if FreeDOS is good enough for programming. So I would like to enumerate what makes it good for programming. First, it's free. Everyone can download it and install it. Also, it's very customizable. You can install any shell you want, and often you can customize it. You can use a file manager, command line. There are also some GUIs, but I haven't tried them. Another good thing about FreeDOS is that there are many programming languages available. Some modern programming languages are not supported, but things like C or Pascal are supported, so that's very good. There are many text editors for FreeDOS. Some of them emulate the standard Windows behavior, some of them emulate WordStar, and some of them emulate Emacs. It boots very fast because of its small size. There are no distractions or notifications, so it's very good for productivity. It's very simple and you can understand a very big portion of the operating system. The file system of FreeDOS FAT is very well known and a lot of operating systems support it. Also, it's actively developed, which is good because of the existence of an active community. There is only one terminal, so there are less things to look at. And because of that, you can work faster, because thinking is faster than reading. Another good thing is that there is much less documentation in the internet. That forces you to learn not to rely on search engines and the internet, but actually read the documentation and solve the problems by yourself. So in the end, I think FreeDOS is very different from any other modern OS and is very good if you want to learn programming.